Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a Dutch braid, I guess a double Dutch braid if that's a thing, into these little space buns. So if you'd like to see how I did this, just keep watching. So I started by taking my hair down and then parting it right down the middle. And then I went and divided it down the middle in the back too, just like you are doing pigtails or traditional braids or anything like that. And then I sectioned off one side of my hair and tied it back so that it wouldn't get in the way. I started by combing my hair in the direction that the braid was going to go. And then I sectioned it into the 3 strands that I needed for the braid. So the braid that I'm doing here is like a regular French braid, but since it is Dutch, that just means that you are taking each strand of hair and putting it under the middle strand instead of over, like a traditional French braid. So you'll see that I add in hair to one of the strands, gather it all together, and then I go under the middle strand. And you're just going to repeat these steps all the way down to the nape of your neck where you will tie it off. I took a small elastic and just tied it off like a regular ponytail. And now I'm just going to go ahead and stretch out the braid just to kind of loosen up the hair, make it a little bit messier, and to make the braid look a little bit wider than it actually was. Next, I will repeat the exact same steps on the left side of my hair. Again, I went ahead and pulled out the braid a little bit to make it a little bit messy. Now I'm just taking a comb against my hair to make it so that the bun is a little bit more full. And I just go ahead and twist it around itself, kind of like any messy bun that you would do, and then secure it with a small elastic. There is a piece that I pulled out that's not super cute, and so I'll go back later and pin it down with some bobby pins. When you are finished with the buns, just kind of take a look around and see what pieces could be pinned down. Maybe there are some stray hairs coming out that you just want to pin against your head or against the braid. And once you've got it how you like it, you will be all set. You'll see I kind of missed a piece that I could have pinned down, but it doesn't really bother me since the whole look is kind of messy anyways. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching.